Welcome to Bank and Balance, your ultimate destination for all things finance and investing. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for practical ways to grow your wealth, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's especially relevant for students: side hustles. If you're a student looking to boost your income without compromising your studies, this is for you. Now, let's explore 10 practical and exciting ways to earn money as a student. First, freelancing. This is a game changer for students who have a specific skill or talent. Are you good at graphic design, writing, or even coding? Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer your skills to a global audience. You set your own rates and work on projects that fit into your schedule. Imagine getting paid to design a logo, write a blog post, or even create a simple app, all from the comfort of your dorm room or favorite study spot. The best part? Over time, you build a portfolio that can even help with your career after graduation. Next up is online tutoring. Are you particularly good at a subject? Maybe you're a math wizard, an excellent English tutor, or a science pro. Websites like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com let you connect with students who need help. You're not just earning money, you're also reinforcing your own knowledge. Teaching others is one of the best ways to learn, and this hustle gives you the flexibility to set your own hours. Plus, the confidence boost you get when you help someone understand a tough topic. Priceless. Content creation is another fantastic option. Think about it, if you love being creative, this could be your golden ticket. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok allow you to share your ideas with the world. Are you passionate about study tips, gaming, or lifestyle topics? Start small, record videos with your smartphone or share quick tips on Instagram stories. Over time, as you gain followers, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It's a hustle that not only pays but also builds your personal brand. Another idea is dropshipping or print on demand. These require minimal upfront costs and are perfect for students. Set up an online store on Shopify or Etsy, then use print-on-demand services to sell custom-designed t-shirts, mugs, or stationery. If you're into entrepreneurship, this side hustle teaches you valuable lessons about running a business, marketing, and customer service, all while earning money. If you're active on social media, why not use those skills to manage accounts for others? Social media management is in high demand, especially among small businesses. They need help creating posts, responding to comments, and growing their online presence. If you're someone who knows how to create engaging content or understands social media algorithms, this hustle can bring in consistent income. Got great study notes? Sell them. Yes, you heard that right. Websites like Stuvia and Nexus Notes let you upload your notes for others to purchase. If you're already spending hours creating detailed notes for your own studies, why not earn money by sharing them? This is passive income at its finest. Every time someone downloads your notes, you earn without lifting a finger. Photography and videography enthusiasts, this one's for you. If you love capturing moments, start selling your work as stock content. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or even Canva Pro allow you to upload your photos or short video clips. Once your content is up, it becomes another source of passive income, generating money while you focus on other things. Affiliate marketing is a brilliant way to earn while recommending products you already use and love. Platforms like Amazon Associates make it easy to share links to items like gadgets, books, or even online courses. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's simple and incredibly rewarding if done right. Part-time remote jobs are another excellent option. These roles range from virtual assistant positions to customer service or data entry jobs. Remote work platforms like Remote.co or FlexJobs make it easy to find opportunities that align with your schedule. The flexibility is perfect for students who need to juggle work and classes. Finally, event assistance is a great way to earn extra money on weekends. Weddings, birthdays, and corporate events are always happening, and they often need part-time help. From setting up decorations to managing guest lists, this hustle lets you earn quick cash while networking with interesting people. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about how to balance your studies and side hustles. Here are 3 quick tips. First, allocate specific hours to your side hustle and stick to them. Treat your hustle like a mini job with clear boundaries. Second, choose side hustles that align with your skills and interests. This makes them feel less like work and more like a passion project. Lastly, stay organized with productivity tools like Google Calendar or Notion. This helps you manage your time effectively, ensuring you never miss deadlines or important study sessions. Which of these side hustles are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Bank and Balance, and share it with a fellow student who might need some extra cash. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.